Welcome to Healthy Life Hub. I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about giving you the tools and knowledge to take control of your health. We're going to be talking about everything from nutrition and exercise to mental wellness and preventive care, all with a focus on natural, science-backed advice. Whether you're just starting your health journey or you're looking for new ways to level up, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll break down complex health topics into easy-to-understand chunks so you can make informed decisions about your well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and I'm here to cheer you on as you make those positive shifts. So let's dive in and explore the world of health and wellness together. Let's talk about food. It's not about strict diets here, but about enjoying delicious meals that nourish your body. We're going to focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Think of your plate like a rainbow. The more colorful, the better. We'll be sharing easy-to-follow recipes and meal prep tips that fit your busy lifestyle. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's about finding a sustainable balance that works for you. We'll debunk common nutrition myths and give you the evidence-based information you need to make smart choices for your plate. Get ready to unlock the power of food as medicine and discover how delicious healthy eating can be. Now let's dive deeper into our amazing bodies and talk about organ health. Each organ plays a crucial role, and understanding how to support them through lifestyle choices is key to overall well-being. We'll explore the best foods and habits for optimal liver function, heart health, kidney health, and more. From the power of hydration to the benefits of gut-friendly foods, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of your body's systems. We'll discuss simple yet effective ways to show your organs some love, like incorporating liver-cleansing foods or heart-healthy fats into your diet. Remember, taking care of your organs is an investment in your long-term health and vitality. Join me as we unlock the secrets to supporting your body's internal superheroes. Get ready to move. In this chapter, we'll explore the incredible benefits of regular physical activity. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's an exercise routine for everyone. We'll cover a variety of workouts, from bodyweight exercises you can do at home to fun cardio routines that get your heart pumping. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself to the limit every time. It's about finding activities you enjoy and incorporating them into your routine. We'll guide you on proper form, provide modifications for different fitness levels, and show you how to listen to your body. From building strength and endurance to improving flexibility and balance, exercise is a powerful tool for enhancing your overall well-being. So let's lace up our sneakers and embark on this fitness journey together. Let's take a moment to prioritize our mental well-being. In this chapter, we'll explore practical techniques for managing stress and cultivating a sense of inner peace. From deep breathing exercises and mindfulness meditation to journaling and gratitude practices, we'll equip you with tools to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as caring for your physical body. We'll discuss the importance of self-care, setting boundaries, and seeking support when needed. You'll learn how to identify stress triggers and develop coping mechanisms that work for you. We'll also explore the power of positive self-talk and how cultivating a growth mindset can transform your outlook on life. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock the tools for a calmer, more resilient you. Let's talk about preventive care. Taking proactive steps to protect your health is crucial for living a long and vibrant life. We'll discuss the importance of regular health checkups, screenings, and vaccinations. Remember, early detection is key, and understanding your risk factors can empower you to make informed decisions about your health. We'll also delve into lifestyle changes that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. From the importance of quality sleep and stress management to the benefits of quitting smoking and limiting alcohol consumption, small changes can make a big difference. We'll provide practical tips and resources to support you in making these positive shifts. Join me as we empower ourselves with knowledge and take charge of our health destiny. Let's wrap things up with some quick and easy health tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine right away. From simple hydration reminders to mindful eating practices, we'll cover a range of topics to boost your well-being. Discover the power of a quick morning stretch or the benefits of taking short breaks throughout the day to move your body. We'll also share tips on healthy snacking, managing screen time, and getting a good night's sleep. Remember, small changes add up over time, and even incorporating one or two of these tips into your day can make a difference. So let's make healthy living a part of our everyday lives. Congratulations on taking this important step towards a healthier you. I hope you found this video informative and empowering. Remember, your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take matters. Join our community of health enthusiasts by subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss out on daily health and wellness inspiration. Let's support and motivate each other on this exciting journey. Let's live a healthy life together.